Hello and welcome to the Eats of Mich. Today I am bringing you a what I eat in the day. All the meals are really healthy as I've been overindulging recently during the isolation period. For breakfast I had a really simple bowl of oats. I added in about half a cup of quick oats into a saucepan and poured over a glass of water. I then added in a generous dash of ground cinnamon because I just love the taste of cinnamon. I then turned on the heat, added it on my saucepan and let that start to cook. I gave everything a big stir to combine and heated on a medium heat. I prepared some berries. I washed and chopped some strawberries, blueberries and raspberries while keeping an eye on the porridge so it doesn't overcook. I'd ran out of plant-based milk, so I added in some Oatly single cream to add that creamy texture still, as I just think it just makes it a little bit more luxurious to taste rather than just using water. I then served this into a bowl and topped with my fresh berries. Then I added on some crunchy peanut butter on top for some healthy fats and some brilliant flavour. I love having peanut butter in the mornings and in the evenings, if I'm honest, with my dual dates. I just think it's just one of the best things ever, as do many people, as do many vegans. Following this, I topped off with about a teaspoon of chia seeds for those omegas. This is a super simple breakfast and you've probably seen it before, but it is an oldie and a goodie and is really, really good for you. At lunchtime, I wanted something super simple. I had brought this co-op carrot and coriander soup, so I heated that up in a saucepan and poured it into the bowl. I then topped it with some chickpeas to add in some protein and to make it more filling. And then I chopped and added on some fresh coriander just to make it just taste a little bit more fresh and a little bit more tasty. This was really good and literally took me about 5 minutes to make. For dinner, we made a tomato marinara with lots of vegetables. We started off by cooking some celery, carrots, red onion, white onion off in a pan. We cooked this off in some vegetable stock for some flavour. While that was starting to cook, we drained and rinsed some sweet corn and some butter beans. We then chopped some fresh tomatoes and added them into the saucepan and gave that a mix. We then added some seasonings, but you can add whatever you like. We added salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder and onion powder. That started cooking off nicely after about 5 minutes, and we started to mush the chopped tomatoes into the mixture so it made a sauce. After this, we added about 3 heaping teaspoons of tomato puree just to give it a more intense flavour and gave that a big stir. We then popped on the lid and let that cook off for another 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes had passed, we gave it another stir and then prepared some fresh herbs. You can add in whichever ones you like. We had some parsley and some basil. We also prepared some coriander to mix with the rice. We then added in the basil into the mixture, followed by a couple of handfuls of spinach, and let that wilt it down. After that was all combined, we added in the sweet corn and the butter beans into the mixture and gave it a big stir and popped the lid back on. To go with this, we had some Uncle Ben's boil in a bag long grain rice. We just added this to boiling hot water on the stove and cooked for 10 minutes. Towards the end, we added in some Oatly cream and gave it a big stir, just to add a different level of flavour and creaminess to the mixture. After 10 minutes had passed, we drained the rice and mixed in the coriander. We then served this on 2 plates. Popped on the vegetable marinara mixture, not quite sure what to call it. And voila! This was really, really delicious. Was using most things that we just had in our cupboard, maybe not the herbs, but you could definitely use dry herbs instead. But yeah, it was a really good one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed.